Hello, everyone. This is your instructor, Aris De La Rea, and welcome to our IT Learning channel. I'm really excited to have you here because this space is designed especially for students like you, future innovators, problem solvers, and tech leaders. Here, we'll explore the world of information technology in a way that's practical and engaging. Once again, welcome aboard, and let's get started.
Our topic for today will discuss why web frameworks are important. We focus on CodeIgniter, which is a powerful PHP framework that makes web development faster, more secure, and easier to maintain. It provides for common tasks such as form validation and database queries, saving time and effort. It keeps projects organized by separating logic, data, and presentation. CodeIgniter also enhances through features like SQL query binding, CSRF tokens, and XSS filtering, protecting applications from common web attacks. Below are the detailed discussion and examples. 1. Faster development. CodeIgniter speeds up the development process because it provides built-in libraries and helpers for common tasks such as form validation, session handling, and database queries. Instead of creating these from scratch, developers can call them directly. For instance, if you need to validate user input in a form, like checking if an email is valid or if a password is not empty, you can simply use CodeIgniter's dot. In just a few lines, you can apply rules instead of writing long conditional statements. 2. Organized structure. CodeIgniter follows the Model View Controller (MVC) architecture, which separates logic, presentation, and data. This keeps the project well organized and easier to maintain, especially in team settings. If you are building a login system, checks the database for username and password. Is the login form, HTML template. The processes user input and decides whether to redirect to the dashboard or show an error. This separation makes your project more organized, especially when working with a team. 3. Strong security. CodeIgniter provides built-in security features like XSS, cross-site scripting, filtering, CSRF, cross-site request forgery, protection, and SQL query binding. These features help protect applications from common web attacks. For example, when writing database queries, you can use instead of directly inserting values into SQL statements. This prevents attackers from injecting harmful SQL code into your database queries. By simply enabling security settings in the configuration file, your forms will also be protected with CSRF tokens. 4th, reusability of code. CodeIgniter encourages reusability by allowing developers to create reusable components, such as libraries, helpers, and models. These can be used across different parts of the application or even in future projects. If you build a handling login, logout, and registration, you can simply load this library in different controllers without rewriting the code. 5. Community support. CodeIgniter has an active community of developers who share tutorials, plugins, and solutions. Its official documentation is also simple and easy to understand, making it beginner-friendly. For example, if you face a problem in configuring in CodeIgniter, chances are high that someone has already asked the same question in community forums. This makes problem-solving faster and less stressful. 6. Scalability. Even though CodeIgniter is lightweight, it can handle both small projects and large-scale web applications. Developers can easily expand functionality by integrating third-party libraries or scaling the database. You may start with a small using CodeIgniter and MySQL. Later, if the school expands, you can easily scale the system to handle thousands of records, multiple campuses, and complex reports without rewriting the whole application. 7. Testing and debugging CodeIgniter includes error handling and debugging tools that make it easier to identify issues during development. Developers can also enable detailed error reporting to catch problems quickly. By setting the environment to development, CodeIgniter displays detailed error messages with file names and line numbers. This helps developers fix bugs quickly. And that wraps up this topic. I hope you enjoyed learning as much as I enjoyed sharing these insights with you. Remember, every bit of knowledge you pick up brings you one step closer to mastering IT and shaping the future in your own way. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I truly appreciate your focus and energy. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to apply what you've learned. Stay tuned for the continuation of our lessons. More exciting topics are coming your way, and I can't wait to explore them with you. Until next time, take care, keep learning, and see you in the next lesson.